Welcome to this training video on Interpret SELDM, the post-processor for the Stochastic Empirical Loading and Dilution model SELDM. This video and the associated software were prepared by the U.S. Geological Survey in cooperation with the Federal Highway Administration. In this video, we will show you how to create a dilution factor scatter plot from all the analyses in a selected SELDM project. Once a project is selected, the first step is to select the type of output interpretation to do from the combo box. In this case, we will select the dilution factor graph item. When we click the Interpret Output button, the Interpret SELDM program digs through all the SELDM analyses in the selected project to identify the datasets to graph. The graphing form opens to the Select Values tab with all available selections. The dilution factor graph option includes the highway and BMP values for each analysis. If the BMP does not provide flow reduction or hydrograph extension, then the highway and BMP values will be the same. Click on the checkboxes to select the items to graph. Click on a checkbox again to deselect the item. In this example, we will select highway and BMP results. For this example, we will graph the highway and BMP datasets for the first analysis. Now, we click the Update Graph button to make the graph. The Interpret SELDM program uses another program called dplot to make the graphs. The dplot window opens, makes the graph, and is minimized almost instantly. The Interpret SELDM program copies the graph from dplot and opens the View Graph tab. Left-clicking within the graph will show the coordinates of the click point and the data text boxes in the upper left corner of the tab. Right-clicking on the graph will copy an editable version of the graph to the clipboard. The message box confirms that the graph is ready to be pasted into another application. Click the Select Values tab so we can return to the main menu. Now, click the Return to Previous Form button to return to the main menu. This concludes our video for graphing dilution factors with the Interpret SELDM program.